Hello, I am Dr. Kajol Kiran Nath from Kolkata. I chose Medline because Dr. Kamini Rao ma'am is a huge inspiration to all of us who are practicing reproductive medicine. In online classes, we had many modules which included all the topics in details, and it has been a truly wonderful learning experience for me. So the theory modules are very well structured and extremely helpful. Dr. Shantala ma'am made sure that all the concept has been explained clearly from the basics, which has made the learning much more easier and much more practical also. We had hands-on experience on ovum pickup, IUI and hysteroscopy along with embryo transfer also, which was really useful. Simulation training sessions are amazing, which gave us valuable exposure and confidence, which will truly help in my clinical practice. Since it's a hybrid course, I got time to do my hospital duty and everything, and also I took some time to attend all the modules, and the recorded lectures and the assignments were really elaborate and helped me learn it in details, and it was very much clear, and all the doubts which I had earlier, I got it cleared from all the mentors, and it was very much useful to me. Thank you Medline Academics and all the mentors who helped us and for giving us a greater learning opportunity.